Lis Pendens question. How do I file a lis pendens on a land title? Answer. Filing a lis pendens on a land title in the Philippines. A lis pendens, Latin for a suit pending, is a legal notice filed in the public records of a property to inform potential buyers or lenders that a lawsuit is pending involving that property. This notice serves as a warning that the outcome of the lawsuit could affect their rights or interests in the property. Here's how to file a lis pendens on a land title in the Philippines. 1. Determine the proper court. The lis pendens must be filed with the Register of Deeds of the province or city where the property is located. It is typically filed in conjunction with a lawsuit related to the property. 2. Prepare the notice. The notice of a lis pendens should include the following information: names of the parties, plaintiff S and defendant S in the lawsuit, case number, the civil case number assigned by the court, description of the property, a clear and accurate description of the property, including the specific land title number OCT or TCT, nature of the claim, a concise statement of the legal claim being asserted against the property. For example, action for reconveyance, action for recovery of ownership, or action for partition. Location of the property, the specific address or location of the property. Date of filing, the date the notice is filed with the Register of Deeds. Signature of the lawyer, the signature of the lawyer representing the plaintiff S. 3. File the notice. The notice of a lis pendens must be filed with the Register of Deeds in person or through a duly authorized representative. The Register of Deeds will record the notice in their official records and issue a receipt. 4. Serve copies. Copies of the notice of a lis pendens must be served on the defendant S in the lawsuit and their lawyer, if applicable. 5. Effect of lis pendens. Once filed, the lis pendens serves as a warning to anyone who acquires an interest in the property that the title is in dispute. It can affect the sale, mortgage, or other transactions involving the property. It can also impact the property's value and marketability. Important considerations. Legal counsel. It is highly recommended to consult with a qualified real estate lawyer before filing a lis pendens. They can advise you on the proper procedure, draft the notice, and represent you in court. Grounds for filing. A lis pendens should only be filed if there is a valid legal basis for the claim against the property. Removal of lis pendens. The lis pendens can be removed from the property's title if the lawsuit is dismissed or resolved.